Mindfulness isn't something we have to earn, it's something we return to, a gentle remembering of now. Mindfulness means bringing your full attention to this moment, without judgment, without needing it to be different. It's presence, it's pause, it's peace, even in the midst of life. For those who nurture others, mindfulness becomes a form of emotional replenishment. It helps us tend to ourselves, not as a luxury but as a necessity. With just one conscious breath, the nervous system begins to shift. The body softens, the mind quiets. This is where regulation begins. This is where presence lives. Mindfulness isn't only found in stillness, it lives in the texture of your day, while washing dishes, walking on grass, sitting quietly before the world wakes. It's in how we breathe, how we feel, how we notice. Presence allows us to feel what needs to be felt, to name our emotions with compassion, to refill what has been poured out. You don't need to change everything. Just come back. One breath, one moment, one act of mindfulness at a time. You are worthy of your own care.